Hi, so my name's Ken. So I've been asked to put together some films for Wellbeing Week. So this is only going to be a short film. And it's something for you to think about and ponder about the different aspects of your mind, of your personality, of who you are. Okay, so an old story, an old Native American story. So here goes. So an old Cherokee grandfather is telling his grandson a story. A fight is going on inside me, he said. It's a terrible fight between two wolves. One is evil. He is anger, envy, greed, arrogance, resentment, lies, and ego. He continued. The other is good. He is joy, peace, love, hope, serenity, humility, kindness, empathy, truth, generosity, and compassion. The wolves are fighting to the death. Wide-eyed, the boy asked his grandfather, which wolf will win? The old Cherokee simply replied, the one that you feed. So think about the story. Think about the negative and positive aspects of you that you feed. Goodbye.